Going?
Oh.
I'm doing the B side now?
Yeah, I'm finally ready. I put this on center line, and the rest of it's good.
So you can just run across the face of it?
So yeah, how they align this is, I feel like there could be a little bit of a better way, but I don't, they don't provide the tools for the better way.
Right.
But this is where I'll get my side. Right. And this is where I get up and down and left and right. And so, yeah. Truthfully, I'd rather.
So you're trying to do that? Can you do the inside, or are you trying to do in here, or just on here?
So I put an indicator here for sweeping that, and then I put an indicator on here for sweeping separate.
Oh, okay.
So that works out. Ideally, what I would rather do, but that's not part of the toolkit,
right,
is to put one here and actually have this go inside of it. That'd be ideal.
Oh yeah. I mean, since that's the problem.
Yeah, but they provide a bar for the tailstock, but I can't do that with a subsequent one. They just don't have the right thing for it.
Right on.
Yeah.
Amazing how much stuff there is on it.